You've probably heard the term CRM thrown around countless times if you're in the service industry. It stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's supposed to be the golden ticket to happy customers and a booming business. But what about Housecall Pro? Is it just another field service management tool, or does it secretly hold the keys to CRM kingdom? Let's back up a bit. Imagine this: you're a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician. You're drowning in paperwork, juggling countless appointments, and trying to keep your customers happy. Sounds familiar? Now, picture a magical tool that handles all of that, plus gives you insights into your customers, helps you win more jobs, and even boosts your revenue. That's the promise of a CRM, right? So, is Housecall Pro that magical tool? Well, it's complicated. On one hand, it does a fantastic job of managing your day-to-day operations. Scheduling appointments, dispatching texts, sending invoices. It's got it covered. But is that enough to call it a CRM? A true CRM is more than just a scheduling tool. It's about understanding your customers, building relationships, and turning them into loyal advocates for your business. So, let's dive into Housecall Pro and see if it fits the bill. First, let's talk about customer data. Housecall Pro does a decent job of collecting information about your customers: names, addresses, contact details, and service history. But what about the juicy stuff? What about their preferences, buying habits, and pain points? Does it help you segment your customers and tailor your marketing efforts? Not really. Next up, customer interactions. Housecall Pro tracks job history and communication, but it doesn't offer a holistic view of the customer journey. You can't easily see all your interactions with a customer in one place, and there's no built-in tool to help you manage leads or nurture relationships. Then there's the marketing aspect. While Housecall Pro does offer some basic marketing features like email templates and SMS messaging, it's not a full-fledged marketing automation platform. You won't find advanced features like lead scoring, campaign management, or customer journey mapping. So, where does that leave us? Housecall Pro is undoubtedly a powerful tool for field service businesses. It helps you streamline operations and improve efficiency. But when it comes to true CRM functionality, it falls short. Now, this doesn't mean you can't use Housecall Pro as part of your CRM strategy. You can supplement it with other tools or build custom workflows to get the most out of it. But if you're looking for a dedicated CRM solution, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best CRM for your business depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're primarily focused on operations and scheduling, Housecall Pro might be a good fit. But if you want to build deeper customer relationships and drive growth, you'll need a more robust CRM solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.